enjoy your ride. It's a beautiful day.
It is, isn't it?
This track, where does it go?
I recommend if you're riding on your bike, when you get up to the top, there's three. If you take the middle one, that's the most gentle.
Terrific.
And then I recommend you stop off at it. Then you go up about 1.5 kilometers. Then it gets very rocky.
Yeah.
So it depends how adventurous. But if you want to just stop at a beautiful beach, it's called Wilson's Beach. So take the middle one, and you'll see the sign to Wilson's Beach.
Okay.
It's 2 kilometers there, 2 kilometers
We'll listen
back.
to you. You're an expert.
I am. I live here.
I know, that's what I mean. You know. Thank you.
The water's beautiful if you feel
I know.
swim.
It's a bit southerly out there. It's actually offshore there, wouldn't it? Yeah, okay.
The beach is very protected.
Yeah, I can say. Thank you.
Le he visto yo que era como una roca. Vamos a ver la playa de Wilson y después vamos a hablar de... Qué bonito es esto, Ahí en bici es que es precioso.
Nuria?
Close.
Did you follow her? Madre mía.
A little cave.
Yep.
It's worth it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, isn't that amazing?
And you go around the corner too. How good is this? Yeah, it's pretty impressive. Good fishing spot.
Yeah, what's the name of it?
Ah. Nearly still stuck. ¿Está bien?
It's amazing, this all the way down.
Down and go across.